Hi guys, welcome back to my class. It's your favorite girl, the excellent spirited teacher. Okay, so today I'm gonna be taking you on a tutorial on ICT, application of ICT in our everyday life. Okay, so ICT has been a transformational tool globally, like all over the world. Now, just give me a name of an industry or an organization that does not make use of ICT, then I'll tell you that, oh, you are lying. Okay, so ICT is in every aspect, every field of human endeavor, ranging from the schools to the banks to the churches, industries, entertainment industry, agriculture, medicine, as in just name it, what have you. ICT is in every angle. Okay, so I'm gonna be sharing my objectives. Okay, so in today's class, we have three specific objectives. Okay, so as you can see, the topic says ICT as a transformational tool. And in today's class, we have three specific objectives. Okay, three specific objectives. The first one is we're gonna be by the end of the class, you should be able to know what ICT stands for. Secondly, you should be able to differentiate between ICT and IT. I see that in this dispensation, sometimes many of us don't know how to differentiate between ICT and IT. And in today's class, we're gonna be looking at it. Just like sometimes we don't know how to differentiate between a system unit and a CPU. So some people will call the CPU system unit. It's not so. Even in some textbooks I've read, the CPU is not the system unit. The CPU is a small silicon chip and it's the processor that serves as the brain of the computer, and it is situated inside the system unit. Why the system unit is the computer casing, like the casing of the computer. So they are two different things. Okay. So the same way ICT and IT are two different terminologies. So in this class, we're going to be looking at the two different terminologies, ICT and IT. And thirdly, we're going to be listing the applications of ICT. Okay, so quickly, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So the first thing first is, what is the meaning of ICT? ICT stands for Information and Communication Technology. Okay, so IT stands for Information Technology, only Information Technology. So IT, which is information technology, is the use of computers and its software to process, store, and retrieve information. For example, when you're sending a mail to your mom, okay, when you're sending a mail to your mom, artificial intelligence such as like when you go to the bank, all those sounds you hear, going to the door, please take away all metallic objects, those things you hear, artificial intelligence, imitating human reasoning. Then when the computer imitates human voice, human reasoning, like you have the Siri, okay, that speaks like a human being. All these things are robots. So all those things giving you information. Tell Siri, call 911 for me, and Siri just does exactly that. That is information. And you tell Siri or Cortana, can you please tell me the meaning of computer? And Cortana tells you computer is an electronic device that accesses and processes data. That is information technology. Another one is when you send a message to someone, that is information. You want to get information from that person. When you search for information on Google, that's information technology. Okay, all these are examples of information technology. Stuffing the net, okay, you're stuffing to know what happened, getting information from Punch magazines online, from Punch newspaper, Vanguard newspaper online. That is information technology, sourcing the net. But ICT is far much more broader than IT. So ICT it comprises of computers and equipment for communication and other related resources such as cellular networks, satellite communication, telephone, broadcast equipment, and other form of communication. We can also say ICT includes all technologies for handling and communicating information. Now, here's the difference. IT stops at just stuffing information, just gathering information, retrieving information, processing information. Okay. But now ICT goes further than that. It's way more beyond just sourcing for information. In ICT, you have to what? You have to find a way of communicating that information you have sourced. Okay, making that information, communicating it to a larger audience, communicating it to the world, communicating the information globally. That is where ICT comes in now. It's a larger scope. Okay, communicating the information you have gotten, okay, from those technologies. Now, what can you use to communicate this information? You have social media handles such as your Twitter, your WhatsApp, your YouTube, your Instagram, your TikTok, Facebook, Skype, your vlogs. All these things are platforms by which you can communicate your information. Okay, so quickly, what are the areas ICT can be applied? In the area of fashion, in software engineering, social media, in supermarkets. You agree with me that in supermarkets, every big supermarket now has a CCTV camera. Yes. You also in schools, we also have CCTV cameras, we have smart boards. No, we have CBTs now, no more paper. We are now running in a paperless environment. Paper has been reduced, thereby saving our trees. Yes, so our trees can breathe now. Most schools are going on laptops. Okay, so everything is sent online. Your results are checked online. No more carrying files. There are databases where all information is being compiled. Education, the area of education, there are so many things you can learn online on YouTube. Okay, if you want to be educated outside the four walls of the school, like you want to learn other things like how to cook, how to dress well, how to be composed as a man, how to lead, how to make up, how to sew clothes, how to make shoes. You can get any kind of education on the internet. Okay, just log on to YouTube and you can learn whatsoever you want to learn there. Okay, for video editing and the likes of them. In agriculture, ICT in agriculture. Now, farmers can even create a WhatsApp group, okay, and share ideas among themselves, know the best fertilizers to use, know ways to improve their farming, harvesting. No, they are even making machines that can be used to milk all this your dairy milk, things like that. Even for harvesting crops, now you don't have to go, maybe you have 20 acres of land, you go about to pick those things. No, there are machines and harvesters that will do that for you. In banking, wow, in transportation, in banking, now we have USSD code, the full meaning of USSD is unstructured supplementary service data. Okay, that's the USSD code, unstructured supplementary service data. So you can use the USSD code to kind of, run your transaction, transfer money, get data, buy your airtime, and all that without you having to go to the bank to do all that. Even your ATM machines can be used to withdraw money and transfer money to you have bank apps that you can use to pay bills, get your Go TV subscription, DSTV subscription, and all that. Also, you have transportation now. You have GPS, global system, global positioning system. Okay, yeah, GPS. That's for me a global positioning system, and you also have the vehicle monitoring system. All these are equipment that helps in, okay, like the vehicle monitoring system helps in tracking your vehicle, okay, monitor it to know how safe it is, where your vehicle is at every point in time. Maybe your driver has taken your vehicle to where you don't know, things like that. Okay, whereas the GPS can show you location, like maybe you're a boat driver or Uber driver, you don't know the particular location where you are. With your GPS, with the map, you can, get information, location where you're going to. Commerce, you can buy things online on Konga, on Jumia. You can order for things wherever you are in any part of the world. Hospitals use CT scans and all that to check people, can check your blood pressure using your digital blood pressure machine. In industries, entertainment industries, and different industries, they use computer for what? For doing their video editing. Okay, even in carrying and doing strenuous jobs. The military, The computers are sent to dangerous places, tasks that human beings cannot achieve. The computer can achieve that. In medicine, making of medicine, use the computers for that. Tourism, use the computer to get a tourist location. If you want to go to anywhere in the world, you can ask Google and you get enough information. Even speak to a tourist agent and they can help you prepare one or two places without even being in that particular place. Art, of course, you can use computer for artistic design. Okay, even in the fashion world nowadays, I was watching Vicky James the other day and I saw her design some things using a software. Like I was wowed. So even the fashion house, they use computer ICT to do or to design. Okay, so we have come to the end of this class. So I'm just going to tick the three of them because we covered them. My way of doing things, just to take, we covered this and we have covered this. Okay, so all these are areas ICT can be applied. So there are very important terminologies of acronyms I want us to note. Number one is GPS, Global Positioning System, the Vehicle Monitoring System, VMS, the USSD, the Automated Teller Machine. Okay, so I'm going to give you guys homework. So what's the meaning of OTP, PIN, QR code, SMS, and MMS? All these things are all involved. They are acronyms being used in ICT for information and communication. Okay, so we've come to the end of today's class. I believe you guys learned one or two things. So till I come your way next time, I remain your favorite teacher, the excellent spirited teacher. Okay, so do well to subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos, and click on the notification button to be notified when I have you know, brought out a new video. Okay, so it's bye for now. Bye. Have a nice day.